go with gentle giants, although they might have a better view. I went with reputable north sailing, so this is what I'll be going on and not this. I have so many layers on. I have a t-shirt, my Zadie sweater, my red North Face jacket, and then overalls, and then a raincoat. I have 5 layers on. It's crazy. Right there. Oh, again.
And at the moment we're going to have it more on the right hand side. So 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, try to position yourself on the right hand side of the boat. To us, right hand side. You can even see the place where we went for a dive. It left this irregular circular patch that is called a footprint. Can be a little surprising because as humans we do the complete opposites. If you want to stay underwater, we tend to put as much air as possible in our lungs. But if you do that, you will start to float. These whales do not want to be buoyant in the water, especially if they're going to go for a deeper dive. So instead, they will just exhale before they head down. Even their organs and ribcage can collapse to smaller sizes to help them out. And still, they can hold their breaths for very long times,
Come on.
because their bodies are just much more adapted to this aquatic lifestyle. They're able to use much more of the oxygen. Oh, left side's close. Seven o'clock. Okay guys, I tried my best. Now we're gonna go home.
And that was the whale watching tour. Excellent. Sounds beautiful.
Oh, thank you, appreciate it.
Thank you. Alright guys, we are still in North Iceland, and I can't even see if a car is coming. Bro, all I'm gonna see now is those lights if a car is coming. Okay, no cars. I need to pull over. So welcome to Goðafoss, the waterfall of the gods. So back in ancient time, there was a chief all things, chief of the district. I'm not gonna pronounce that name. He was trying to decide if Iceland should become a Christian country, and upon making that decision, he went back to his village, which is close by, and got all of his pagan gods, his statues of his pagan gods, and threw them into the waterfall. And that's how it got its name, Waterfall of the Gods, Goðafoss. Apparently it is the most powerful waterfall in all of Iceland, and you can see why. It is. We can't even get close. Alright guys, we just left Goðafoss, Waterfall of the Gods, and very interesting place, very epic place, very kin to like something like a Niagara Falls, but I've just never seen anything like that before. Right now we are back on the road, and after 2 cold activities, I think I deserve a nice warm activity. So I'll show you guys where we're going when we get there. So just journey with me. what's crazy is I think I can see where we're going, and we're still 12 minutes away, right? We're still about 9 miles out, but I think that's where we're going, right beyond the second hill. Like, that's crazy. It's the same thing with Goðafoss. It's the only thing that's out here. So you can almost see these things from a distance driving up. I gotta check in. Yeah, over here is a lot colder than by the bar, but it's still very beautiful. It's raining harder. Show you guys the other pool, which is right there. You know me, I had to get the orange juice. It just contrasts the water. Super funny. Yeah, guys, I think this place is a 10 out of 10. It is less crowded than most places, and the water feels amazing. It's just very calm, serene. There's this contrast that's going on right now with the very cold air and the rain, and the very hot water and the steam. And the best way to explain it is it just feels like you're having two different experiences at the same time.